Why do we blink our eyes? Blinking is a reflex action that involves the rapid closing and opening of the eyelids. It is an essential function of the eye that serves many purposes. Here are some of the reasons why we blink. To keep the eyes moist, the surface of the eye is covered with a thin layer of tear film that helps to keep the eye lubricated and moist. This tear film is composed of 3 layers: the mucin layer, the aqueous layer, and the lipid layer. The mucin layer helps the tear film adhere to the surface of the eye, the aqueous layer provides nourishment and oxygen to the cornea, and the lipid layer helps to prevent the tears from evaporating too quickly. When we blink, the eyelids help to spread the tear film across the surface of the eye. This helps to keep the eye moist and lubricated, which is important for maintaining clear vision and preventing eye discomfort. For example, if the eye becomes dry, it can cause a range of symptoms, such as itching, burning, redness, and sensitivity to light. To protect the eyes, blinking is also important for protecting the eyes from foreign objects, such as dust, debris, and insects. When an object comes near the eye, the blink reflex causes the eyelids to close quickly, which helps to prevent the object from entering the eye. For example, if a gust of wind blows dust into your eye, you might instinctively blink to protect the eye from the irritant. To improve vision, blinking helps to clear away debris and other particles that may be obstructing the vision. For example, if a hair or eyelash falls onto the surface of the eye, blinking can help to remove the obstruction and improve the clarity of vision. Additionally, blinking can also help to refresh the visual system by providing a brief break from the constant accumulation of light and visual information. To reduce eye strain, blinking helps to reduce eye strain and fatigue by relaxing the eye muscles. When we stare at a screen or a book for a long time, we tend to blink less frequently, which can cause the eyes to become dry and strained. By consciously making an effort to blink more frequently, we can help to reduce eye strain and improve overall eye comfort. To communicate, blinking is also used as a non-verbal communication tool. It can convey a range of emotions, such as surprise, excitement, or nervousness. For example, a person who is surprised might blink rapidly, while a person who is nervous might blink more slowly or less frequently. Blinking can also be used to convey social signals, such as indicating interest, attentiveness, or boredom. Overall, blinking is an essential function of the eye that serves many important purposes. By understanding the reasons why we blink, we can better appreciate the complexity and importance of this simple reflex action. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.